Hi friends, this video is going to be on Sangobion Capsules. Sangobion Capsules are made by Martin Doe Marker Limited. The price for one box is 135 rupees. The box has 30 capsules in it. Each soft gelatin capsule contains ferrous gluconate 250 milligrams, manganese sulfate monohydrate 0.2 milligrams, copper sulfate 0.2 milligrams, vitamin C ascorbic acid 50 milligrams, folic acid 1 milligram, vitamin B12 7.5 micrograms. Sangobion capsules is used to treat anemia, vitamin deficiency. It's used during pregnancy, for anemia and for skin infections, for treatment of anemias of nutritional origin, pregnancy, infancy, or childhood, folic acid deficiency, occasional constipation, poor diet and other conditions. Sangobion capsule may also be used for other purposes. It works by both providing ascorbic acid and reversibly oxidizing to dehydroascorbic acid in the body, acting directly on the gastrointestinal tract, overcoming the effects of poison, normalizing the formation of red blood cells and nerve tissues, producing red blood cells and platelets in the body, acting on megaloblastic bone marrow to produce an normoblastic marrow, maintaining plasma levels and to prevent the depletion of endogenous stores, retaining fluid in the colon. It's used for the treatment, control, prevention and improvement of the following diseases, conditions and symptoms such as anemia, vitamin deficiency during pregnancy, skin infections, occasional constipation, poor diet, etc. The usual dosage for Sangobion is 1 capsule after meal 3 times daily, but the doctor can prescribe 2 capsules 3 times daily. There are some side effects of this medication which are sleepiness, abdominal bloating, temporary faintness, dizziness, vomiting, redness, pain, cough, sore throat, etc. I hope you like the video. Please like and share our channel, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.